Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover any Gmail ID that you couldn't sign in. One of my friends, especially who has recommended to recover this ID because of he has lost his phone. So of course there is some especially there's data that is required to him. So he has given to his face items to recover this Gmail ID, and yes, he has lost. Unfortunately, phone with number and he doesn't know especially Gmail ID recovers. But however, of course, in this video tutorial by a similar strategy, I will show you live here that yes, you can recover it. Right now, see, if I go for try again, this is ID that we would like to recover. So just we will go for next and thereupon we have options that try another way or directly we can enter the password. We don't have a password, so just we will choose try another way. Here is the registered number. So right now actually it doesn't the sweep of that number. So yes, quickly he would like to, especially he decide to save the data. So is it possible? Let's see. Of course this can be possible. Just we will click here, I don't have phone number. So now it's a sanction that couldn't sign in. So first and foremost, what we will do here, we will come in a especially Play Store and we will write here that is a OK browser. Just we will write hand. This is OK fast and browser. So this one we will install it. So I have already installed. Now we will open it and thereupon see this browser has been opened here. Now just we will write here this ID. We will go for next and now see here magic will happens. We will go for try another way and thereupon here we don't have a number. So what we will do here guys, yes, we will go for don't have and thereupon of course let's see here don't click on try again, otherwise this ID will be a freeze for time being. So just we will cut it from here. Now what we will do guys, here we will come in the Google product and thereupon of course we will click on here. Now we will choose this Google browser and thereupon of course we will click here. Sorry, just it has moved here. Just we will keep it here and thereupon of course once again we will hold it and just do it smartly. Here just we will go in the permission to of course we will come the navigate the location. So of course we will click here, we will click don't allow anyway. Yes, we will use a especially precise location. We will go for here and we will go for anyway. So don't allow, we have to select once again, I repeat, we have to select this one and then of course we will back and of course once again back and once again we will back and notification we will have to just enable and disable these ones. This wouldn't be enabled and thereupon of course if I go in a set as a defaults, here what we will do guys, here just to see we will clear this. We have to clear 2-3 times. We have enable, we have disable and we have to click on here 2-3 times so that this will be a clears. Now what we will do guys, here once again we will back and same activities we will do in a Google Chrome because this was this is also product of Google. So just we will go in a I dot and of course we will go for here, yes, we will come the permission to of course navigate the locations and of course we will make it don't allow anyway. Of course we will select, we will back and thereupon of course here once again we will back and now we will go for in the permission see OK browser default. In there we have to select OK browser. Don't select the Chrome, don't select the internet, don't select any browser, just we are trying on it. So just we will select OK browser. Friends, now it's a time to of course once again we have to come in a Google Chrome and of course we will open it. We will come the history to of course we will come in a history to delete all the things. Of course we will go for in the advanced, we will clear all the things. Now it has been the clean totally. Now what we will do guys, here Yes, we will come to setting. Now it's the time to have the crucial state, and of course you have to get off. Now we will come to Google service. So let's see account and backup below there. Google service, Google service 2. Of course we have a three dot here. We have option help, help 2. Of course once again we will come to help search bar. Here we will write lost. So we have option lost or stolen phone. Now here we will come to common fix. Yes, here common issues. Yes, we will go for recover your account, and upon of course tips to a complete account recovery step. This one. Now we have a Google Chrome page, guys. Here now see here, this is a Google Chrome page. This one we will open, and now as we see this magic will happen, so that this browser will be open, and this is a OK browser. Just we will write here ID once again, this ID, and now see guys here, just we will go for next, and as we see we will see here what will happen. So now see guys here, directly we come on here, welcome back. So here we have two options. One is a update password, the second we have options that is a continue. Yeah, the very smartly way, of course we will have to go for update password. Don't click on a continue, otherwise you will have the problem. Of course it will takes easy way Google database server that of course this device is not. Here just we will have to create one password, a strong password. That's what we will have to go for confirmation password, and thereupon of course go for save it. If you don't, then of course directly you can go for a skip, and thereupon of course you can firstly recover, save your data, and thereupon of course you can go for to change the password. Of course you can recover, of course you can remove the all the especially the activities, or of course history, or of course you can go for enter, of course satiate your Gmail ID as a recovery ID, as a registered mobile number, as a recovery mobile number, and this ID will be a boom, everything will be a chance will be with us. So this is only for education purpose, guys. Don't misuse it. And of course it has benefited to you in any way, then don't forget like, subscribe and share of these concepts, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make such as informative tutorials, guys. And furthermore, in inquiry, of course, any questions, then the blindly have the query below the comment box. A pleasure would be managed to reply to the query. Now see guys here, this ID has been opened here. No doubt that, of course, now see, this ID has been opened here. I did not change the password because of course this will be a screen will be a recorded, so that's why actually, but now I'm going to change it and everything will be changed. So this is all about, guys. Furthermore in inquiry, of course, please blindly leave the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine. And of course, if you wanna any Gmail ID that you want to recover and you are unable to recover it, then leave that Gmail ID below comment box, and of course we will assist you in a recovery of your Gmail ID, particular anyone who is a, of course, viewer of this channel and the subscriber of this channel, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.